All right, to solve this system with elimination, you can see we have three variables, and the most important thing is that you have all of them lined up, which x, y, z equals a number, x, y, z equals a number, x, y, z equals a number, and that looks all good. So now we're going to use one equation with the other two to cancel out one of the variable in both of them. So it looks like y can be easily canceled. There's 2y here, y there, and a y there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this equation, minus y minus 6z equals -3. And I'm going to add on to this equation, this first equation. So we're going to get 3x plus y, and that's the reason why, because the y's will cancel when I add them, minus z equals 10. If I add going straight down, I get 11x, the y's cancel, minus 7z equals, this is going to be 7. Okay, now I'm going to take, so I've used this equation and I've used this equation. Now I'm going to use this equation and do something with this equation to cancel out the y's. I have 5x minus 2y minus 5z equals 1. I'm going to take twice this equation off of this one, because if I take twice it, then this becomes 2y, and positive 2y will cancel with this negative 2y. I'm going to multiply everything through by 2. 2 times 3x is 6x. 2 times y is 2y. 2 times negative z is 2z. And 2 times 10 is 20. Now if I add going straight down, I get 11x. Those cancel. I get minus 7z. And here I get 21. Okay, so now I can see that I have these two equations. They're different, they're useful because I've used different equations to get them. If I use the same equation twice to get them, that doesn't tell me anything useful. But since I've used all three equations to get these two, now I can use elimination on these two. The issue is that you can see we have 11x minus 7z, 11x minus 7z. If I multiply this equation by -1, I'm going to get negative 11x, then plus 7z, then minus 21. And if I add going straight down, these give me 0, these give me 0, and these give me negative 14. I get 0 equals negative 14. And that is not possible. So that means that there is no solution to this system. That there could be two of these lines could intersect. And in fact, they're not quite lines. They're definitely not lines, but that's not what's important. What's important is that there is no way all three of these things are actually called planes. All three of these things intersect at a single point. So in general, there is no solution to this system.